So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a credit card here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go ahead and just scroll down on the main page here to where it says add an account. Once you're here, go ahead and press on that. Once you're on this page, go ahead and press and open up a new account. Then on this page, I want you to go down to the third different option to where it says credit card. Spend and earn 2% cash back on everything. Go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're here, it actually isn't available at the moment. So what you can actually do, depending on when you're watching this video, if you're watching it early, it'll say join the waitlist. If you're watching it later, perhaps you can just open it up and apply. But a little more details here is that this is a Wealthsimple Visa Infinite card, the credit card that earns 2% cash back on everything, limited supply, no categories, no limits, and no FX fees when traveling or shopping online, unlimited 2% cash back, no fees, etc. You can also go ahead and view all benefits if you're looking to do that. So there's benefits right here. There's also insurance on this card. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and press and join the waitlist or press on apply, depending on when you're watching this video. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a credit card on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.